Hello students, I am Surya Saxena, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Science, IMS University Courses Campus, Ghaziabad. So today, with respect to the subject of computer graphics, we will study what is transformation. This is a very important topic according to the curriculum of our university. And very interesting too. So let's start. So what is transformation? First of all, transformation means change, or transformation means any visual change in a scene that will be preserved by the anyone. Means changing some graphics into something else by applying some mathematical rules. So for example, if we consider an object and we want to move that object, or when we want to change that position, or any particular change, we want to change, apply change in any circumstances or in any properties of that object, that is in the umbrella of that is called as transformation. So transformation means verbally the change. Change is the synonym for transformation. When a transformation take place on a 2D plane, 2D plane means with respect to two dimension, either x or y, horizontal or vertical, that is called as 2D, a two dimension transformation. In the same way, when it take place in a 3D plane with respect to x, y and z direction, it is called as a 3D transformation. So this is the basic phenomena behind the transformations. So that what is the transformation means. Okay, now considering further, there are some types of basic transformation. Verbally, transformation is divided into various sections as traditional transformation, or we can say 2D transformation or 3D transformation and many more. But 2D transformation is basically called as basic transformation that encapsulates three main types of transformation within it, that are translation, scaling and rotation. So translation, first of all, translation means to change the position of an object. Let's say there is an object A, and we wish to transform or change the position of that A into another position, at another position, then this process is called as transformation. Okay, so transfer with respect to translation, only the change in the position of an object is to be done. Now coming to the scaling means to change the size of an object. There is a slightly difference between translation and scaling principle, that in translation there is a change in object's position, but in scaling position remains same, but the size of an object will be increase or decrease while remaining at the same position. So scaling means either magnifies the size of an object or reduce the size of an object. Okay, then the third basic transformation is called as rotation. So rotation means, as the name emphasizes to, rotation means to rotate an object, or to change the orientation of an object, or to change the angle of an object. So rotating or rotation is also a type of a sort of basic transformation that change the orientation or angle of an object. So they are the basic transformation. There are further more transformations like reflection, like shear, like affine. We will discuss them also further. Now moving towards the first transformation, that is translation, in detail. Let's say you can see here is a point P. Now on this x and y plane, if we want to move this point P to P dash, then this P dash will become the new positions, or same object at the new position, and the coordinate are denoting by xy old coordinate and x dash y dash are the new coordinates. So we can find out the value of the new coordinates as, for example, x1 or x dash equal to old coordinate plus the change that will happen, that has happened with respect to the x direction, that is denoted by here as tx. So we can find the coordinates of the new at the new position, that is x1 or x dash equal to old coordinate x plus tx, and similarly with respect to y dash or y1 equal to old coordinates y plus ty, and they are tx and ty are called as the translation factors. So translation factor means the quantity or the quantity or the some property or some basic calculations that we have done, or some that the figure out, that figure that will change the position of an object, the previous position and the new position, and they are commonly called as tx and ty. So tx and ty are the translation factors or called as the translation pairs. Okay, so this they are the basic concept behind the transformation and translation that we have discussed today, and we will discuss more sort of transformation like scaling, rotation in other lectures. Okay, thank you.